My name is Tulana Bohela. I'm the co-founder of Honor Stories, and today we were holding a first in our training series called Emerging Media in Africa. Basically a snapshot look at the digital storytelling tools and also the data visualization, data that we could be using to inform the stories that we tell, especially for the developmental sector. So we gave a little bit of an outlook as to what's happening, the trends that are happening now, but also what's coming ahead. And one of the things that we touched on was on immersive storytelling, immersive media, and we gave demonstrations around virtual reality, how that can be used within our communications, and as well as augmented reality.
My name is Mioma Kapia. I work with Hiller Norton Strategies. I was invited to this workshop and it's been very fruitful. I enjoyed the way we're taught about what we have to think about when creating content on digital media. It will really help me in when I am thinking of writing a story.
Naitwa Nuzra Kidausen. Mimi ni mkurugenzi mtendaji na mwalili mkuu wa kampuni ya habari na teknolojia ya Nukta Africa. Leo tulipata wasaa wa kujumuika na wanataaluma wa masuala ya mawasiliano na mahusiano kwa umma, na sehemu kubwa tumeangalia hali ilivyo kwa sasa duniani kwenye ngazi ya teknolojia.
My name is Salha Said Kibwana from LAS Consultancy and an initiative called Her Africa for the Girl Child. So something that was very interesting today was the fact that I didn't know that you could use data to actually communicating your product or service or your story.
My name is Princely Glorious. I'm co-founder of Honor Stories. Basically, we were working with people from UNHCR, ILO, WFP, private companies, etc. And what we're looking at is how do you use impact communications? How do you make your communications more impactful by using storytelling and data?